Hello guys, ayan o, daming bunga ng bayabas. We'll get bayabas. Taran! Oh, Julian, come here. Take this one. Halal.
Don't see, huh?
Ito, matabi ng bahay namin. Wala pa naman uod. Wow, two. Where's my pocket? 3. Daming bunga. Dami pang bunga oh. Pero alanganin pa iba. Pero there's a lot that we can eat na. This one also. Oh, very soft na. This one too. Diba? Here also. Where's the other one? Ah, fell down already. Here. Wow, there also too much. Oh. And also there, but I cannot reach. Also up.
Okay.
There's a lot of guava. You don't want to eat?
I don't want it. I like a bit shit.
Hi, Julian.
Hi. I got good.
Wait lang, I'll get some. There is one more here. I cannot reach other. You don't like? See? Later again. There is too much. Ay, this one big one. Too much. Daming bunga. Grabe. Nasa ibang bansa ang mahal. Dito, mamitas ka na lang. Bayabas. Go. Dito kami sa Kasagingan. Okay. Duhat. Tutoy! Tutoy! Go na, Julian. Ito yung lugar namin. Oh. Puro. You go na, you can walk. Puro saging.
Walking?
Yeah, I'm walking. See, bayabas. We'll eat again. Ito kami sa bahay namin na luma. Bahay ni Lola Mama. Nak, no?
Yeah.
The ant bite me. Careful, ha? Careful. Yan yung bahay namin. Go, go.
One thing, huh?
Yan yung bahay namin. Dati. Pero nag-iba na ngayon kasi ginagawa din. Siyempre, bang tumatagal. Yan.